Give 3 reasons why modulation of a message signal is necessary for long distance transmission. And second part, show graphically an audio signal, a carrier wave and an amplitude modulated wave. The first part of the question, the reasons why the modulation of a message signal is necessary for long distance transmission. Some of the reasons are here. The first reason is a reasonable length of the transmission antenna. And the second one, increase in effective power radiated by the antenna. And reduction in the possibility of mix-up of different signals. For these reasons, we require the modulation of a message signal is necessary for long distance transmission. And this is a typical graph of audio signal, a carrier wave and an amplitude modulated wave signals.